guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. I don't think so I need to say anything more. You all have read by the title and you all know that I've colored my hair all by myself. So let me just start off with by saying that your natural hair itself is very beautiful. Please do not go to color your hair until and unless you are ready to take the risk of, you know, risk of any sort of damages that are going to happen to your hair. So yeah, and also people who are, I mean, kids who are watching this, I know many of my mom's friends and I know there are kids who are watching my channel. So for them I'm telling you all, please do not start coloring, or do not irritate your parents, because what if they just unsubscribe to my channel? So please, okay. And yeah, so let me just start off by saying that coloring your hair means putting your hair into risk, damage, and lots of many more things that are not good to your hair. So when you are going to color, you need to be sure that you are going to protect your hair after that. Like you're going to prevent any sort of damages, extra damages that are going to happen later on. So with that, let's just get into the video. The first time when I colored my hair was during the lockdown. You all know we all have done certain crazy things during lockdown. So my crazy thing, one of my crazy thing that I did during lockdown was colored my hair. So at that time I didn't go to go to some extreme level of coloring my hair. Like I just did some streaks, and that's it. Later on I was very happy with it, and that's why I thought of coloring my hair a little more. So yeah, at that time also I used streaks, and today also I'm using streaks. So I'll show you the I'll show you the process by process, like how you are supposed to go, and then you all can follow it only if you want to color it. So let's start with the first process. The process, I think you guys should know what are the products I used in depth, so that when you are going to buy, you will know what you're going to buy. So yeah, let me just show you all the products.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you.
Before starting with any of the coloring process, you should make sure that your hair is clean. Like you have to take a head bath or just wash your hair off. So after that, once your hair is dried and clean, everything, you have to begin with the bleaching process. So bleaching process you should do only if you want that intense color, like a very blonde color or a little bit more color than usual. So that is when you have to use bleaching. Otherwise, do not go for bleaching. So for the bleaching, I have shown you all the products before. So for bleaching, all you have to do is you get this blonder powder and a developer. So you have to mix it with the certain ratios. It will be given in the I guess in the blonder powder sachet itself. So you have to mix both of them and start applying to your hair. So I was very lucky enough that my brother had helped me out in the entire process, so it was very easy for me. So yeah, first thing is to bleach, and once you start bleaching, you should make sure that you won't keep it for more than 10 to 15 minutes. I mean, bleach damages your hair a lot, so do not keep it for more than 10 to 15 minutes. In other YouTube videos, and there are many people who have kept it for half an hour and I've seen their hair damage. So just keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and that's it.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
Once you're done with the bleaching, you have to wash your hair with the conditioner. So after washing the hair with the conditioner, you have to let it dry for at least 10 to 15 minutes, I guess. It depends on if you're using a dryer, it will be very soon, but if you're drying naturally, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. So once the hair is dried, the next step is the main process, that is coloring. So in coloring, I think so I need not say anything more. So you just have to go on coloring wherever you want to. And one important thing that you have to keep in mind is, even though how much ever color, like how intense you want your coloring to be, do not apply anything on your scalp. So actually my brother had applied coloring on my scalp here, and it was looking very weird. At the same time, it damages your scalp a lot. So make sure that you do not apply any sort of coloring or the products on your scalp. Do it as much as away from the scalp as possible. So once you're done with that, and then all it depends on how you want it to be colored. If some people prefer only in the ends and some people prefer streaks. So here I preferred sort of streaks with bottom, with bottom coloring. So I did something like that, and yeah, just see the process.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you.
So once you're done with the coloring, let it stay in your hair for at least 25 to 30 minutes. and then wash your hair with warm water and a conditioner. So with that, this process, entire process will be done. Done coloring, the real struggle starts from now. That is, if you know you have colored your hair, you have treated your hair with a lot of chemicals, you know that damages are coming your way, and you also should know how to treat them, or you know how to protect your hair. So I would just like to say whatever I am going to do in order to protect my hair. So the first thing that I am going to follow is that to oil my hair. I know oiling your hair is very, we don't prefer applying oil and going out, but there is a method where you can apply your oil night and then take bath in the morning. So that way also it can prevent. So I oil my hair every alternative days, that is somewhat thrice a week. So also I take bath and I use conditioner after that. Okay, that is a normal one. But after you apply conditioner, after you dry your hair, do not use artificial equipments like, for example, dryer and all to dry your hair on a normal day, or whenever it is not even needed. So try to dry your hair naturally, and once your hair is dried, apply serum. So I will link the serum that I'm using currently in the description box below. Also, I am going to apply a hair mask every 15 days in a month, like twice a month. And about the hair mask, I will make sure to link the video, the hair mask that I would be going to use, in the description box below. I have made a spa in a day, no, head to toe spa, which was made during the quarantine, which was made during the lockdown. Oh god, why am I having so many mistakes? Anyway, so I'll make sure to link the hair mask recipe in the description box below. Do follow that, and yeah, even if you have not colored, you can apply that mask. It's very healthy and it just nourishes your hair like anything. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you all like this video. I hope you all found this informative, and if possible, I'll make sure to link the products in the description box below if it is available online. And I bought these products from the wholesale market near Central Market. So from there is a shop where you get all the cosmetics and all these products for wholesale price. So I bought it from there, and yeah, that's it. And about any other products, if I have to tell you all anything, I would tell it in my Instagram or in my or in the description box below. So stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel. Do like, share, comment if you have liked this video. Until my next video, lots of love.